Hey creators, welcome back to another exciting video. Today I'm sharing the top 5 free text to video AI tools you can use to create stunning content. These tools are not only powerful, but also completely free. So grab a pen and paper or just your memory and let's get started. Number 1. Pictory. First on our list is Pictory. This tool is amazing for turning long text, blog posts, or even scripts into visually appealing videos. Just paste your text, and Pictory will match it with relevant visuals and animations. You can tweak the video with voiceovers, captions, and even music. It's free to try, and the results are great for social media or YouTube. Number 2. Lumen 5. Next, we have Lumen 5. It's perfect for creating quick, attention-grabbing videos for platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Paste your text, and Lumen 5 automatically pairs it with stock footage and music. The drag-and-drop interface is super easy to use. Even if you're a beginner, no design skills needed, just creativity. Number 3. SteveA. Let's talk about SteveA. This tool is perfect for beginners looking to create animated or live action videos. Add your script, and SteveA will create scenes with customizable animations or stock clips. It's super user-friendly and works great for explainer videos, tutorials, or storytelling. Plus, the free plan gives you plenty of creative freedom. Number 4. Canva Video Maker. Did you know that Canva also offers a free text-to-video feature? It's part of their design suite and is incredibly versatile. Start with a template, add your text, and Canva will guide you through adding transitions, animations, and music. It's especially great for creating professional-looking presentations and promotional content. Number 5. Animoto. Last but not least, we have Animoto. This tool allows you to create eye-catching videos in minutes. Choose a template, insert your text, and personalize it with images, videos, and music. Animoto's free plan provides a solid start for your video projects, and the interface is incredibly beginner-friendly. And there you have it, the top 5 free text-to-video AI tools to create stunning content. Whether you're making social media posts, tutorials, or promo videos, these tools have got you covered. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and hit subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.